Good morning, full stack web developer, or good evening. Welcome to Coding for All. So, are you ready to dive into the world of full stack web development? Here at Coding for All, we are not just another channel. We are your ultimate destination for mastering full stack web development. And guess what? We'll do it all with practical applications and utilizing free resources. In our last video, we got to know some cool tips and tricks in command line, so make sure to see that as well. And guess what? We're just getting started. So buckle up and get ready to take your skills to the next level. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring notification bell because you won't want to miss out on the incredible content coming your way. So what you are waiting for? Let's dive into the coding world together right here on Coding for All. So in this lesson, I want to introduce you to the directory creation, file creation, directory manipulation, and we are going to do all this inside our command line, just using our keyboards, nothing else. So for that, I'll take you to the Visual Studio Code or Visual Code Studio. So let's start it. So here we are. Let me take this to one side of the screen. So where are we right now? In order to see the full, you can say, directory or path, it is better to write pwd. Okay, so we are here. In order to go one step back, I hope you remember what we need to do. So pause the video, give it a try. I want to go one step back. So currently we are in HP. cd double dot cd double dot cd double dot. Now where am I right now? I can just write the list. Okay, so that means I'm back to my root directory. So here I can go to desktop by writing cd desktop. Okay, I'm still not there. It is saying I'm not there yet. So for this reason, I can write cd into. What about now? Am I there? cd desktop. Yes, I am here now. Why don't I just increase the size? Okay, so now we are at desktop, which you can see right here. And currently, you don't see any folder with the name of, you can say, test. So pause the video and give it a try to make a new folder using your keyboard only, and the folder should name test code. So I hope you tried as we got to know last time. Test coding. So you see, here is our folder. Now what if I want to make a folder or a file inside this? How can I do that? So for that I would write touch. But you see, where are we right now? We are at desktop. So we need to go inside our test code. So how can we go inside our new folder test coding? Pause the video, give it a try. So it is similar as we did last time. cd test. Yes. So here it is. Now we are inside our coding. Test coding. And let me open this for you at other side of the screen. So you can see both sides at once. So here it is. Now, what we want to do, we want to create a file inside, and that should be a Word file. How we can do that? The old method would be we go here, right click, we go to new, and then we go to file, this Microsoft Word file, and then we can just name that. But we are the real programmers. We are only going to use our keyboard and command line. So how can we do that? So for that reason, we will write touch, and the name could be coding.docx. See, so there is a file created inside that is Word file with the name coding. That's one great thing. So what if I want to write inside that file? Or before we go into that thing, why don't you now try to make 2 more files under any name, coding 1, coding 2, coding 3. So pause the video and give it a try. So we'll use the similar method, and it's a shortcut. If we just press upper arrow key, so the code that you wrote last time will be there. You can simply go here, coding 1 docs. There it is. Now I can go again here. I can write 2. So now we have created 3 files: coding, coding 1, coding 2. I'll let you know why did I do this, but before that, what if you did it and now you want to clear these files? How you can delete or remove the files? One thing is you can just write remove, which is rm remove, and then you can write the file name. For example, we can write coding1.docx. See, coding 1 has been removed. What if I again write remove coding2.docx? It's gone. So what if I want to create these files again for another reason that I'll just show you right now? So now these files are again there. What if I want to remove all of these files? How can I do that? I can do remove, but before that, always remember that you are inside the correct folder. The reason is this remove command is really a destructive command, and there will be no step back just in case if you lose it. So it is always recommended to just check first of all where are you currently at. Either you can use pwd, you can use list, or you can simply see here that where are you currently. So if I go for remove and then static, all 3 are gone. See, so I have shown you if you want to remove file one by one or any one file, if you want to remove all of the files. Now let me create the files again. Now the files are there again. What if I want to remove this direct test coding as a whole? I won't be able to do so in the same method. The reason is that it is not for removing the directory. It is only for removing the files. In order to remove the directory, what we can do, we can write remove, then dash r, then the name of the file, that is test coding. Okay, do you know why? Because I'm already inside test coding, so I can't do that. And there is nothing like this over there. So what I have to do, I need to go for cd. Now my desktop. There we have. So remove dash r, and it's gone. Each and everything is gone. So I would strongly recommend you, whenever you go for these destructive commands, always you need to see that where are you currently at. You can use pwd, you can use list, or you can simply see here. So it's a great power, but as it is always said, great power comes with great responsibility. you can be destructive. So you need to see where are you currently at. Otherwise, you will be losing many things, and there won't be any good way to recover those things. So what are we going to do now? We are going to create that folder again. So pause the video and give it a try to create folder coding for all. The folder's name will be coding for all, and there will be 3 Word files inside, or now you can only make 1 Word file inside. This is your challenge. Create a new folder named coding for all. Create 1 Word file over there with the name coding, and that's all. Without using your mouse, use command line. Pause the video, give it a try. So let me show you. It is going to be like this. We are already on desktop. It is written right in front of us. Coding for all. Yes, it's there. Now we want to go to the coding for all. So we would write coding for all. Now we are inside coding for all. Over here, I want to create coding.docx. Now that is created, let me show you. Perfect. So we are done. Now the last step, the last amazing thing that I want you to learn here is, and I want you to implement it, that is going to, how can we write inside this coding file? How can we open this file? So for that, we need to write start coding.docx. Ta-da! So the file is right in front of you now. You didn't click anywhere from the mouse, and it's there. You can simply write welcome to coding for all, Control S, and it's there now. Each and everything is there. So this was all you can say for the command line tutorial. We are done enough to become dangerous for this one, but for sure I'm going to tell you another, you can say, resource or a free website where you can learn even more if you want to go for it, just like we did in the past. What was it? Stackflow. Yeah, so previously we did Stackflow for this, but this time it is called command line tutorial. So it's completely free. It is command line tutorial. Learn enough command line to be dangerous. So yes, command line is dangerous, no doubt about it. So that is something. The website is command line tutorial. Learn enough command line to be dangerous. So this was all. I can guarantee that you did learn and enjoy in this video too. We got to know opening, creating and removing of files, and you are going to have a greater control and greater power and greater responsibility using command line. Be cautious about it. And next time we will be learning backend development. But before that, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and even share the video so we may learn and grow together. Until then, good luck and bye, full stack web developer.